Hey everyone, it's Fiction Crypto back at it again with another video today. And today we are going to cover the XRP chart. We want to see what's going on in this market with Bitcoin and XRP. So as we all know right now, Bitcoin does control the way the market moves. It seems like, well, it doesn't seem like it is. Bitcoin does control the movement of the markets in some sort of way. Nearly all assets are traded with Bitcoin or against Bitcoin. So yes, Bitcoin does have a real dominance over this market. And as we see, these are, this is an older chart that I will actually get rid of. And I guess I gotta pay for some indicators. So as we see, this is a monthly chart right here. With Bitcoin, I try to focus on the price action that is present like in this area, because I mean, I just don't see us going back down to $11,000 with the sentiment of the market and just where we are in general with crypto. So I will still do my support and resistance areas on the monthly chart. And what I'm using is this tool right here. And you can just click this and basically find points where you want to put your support and your resistance lines for your monthly chart. And to get to your monthly chart, it is this interval right here, and you go down right there like that, and boom, you will be right at your monthly chart. Oh, see, the great thing about this is sometimes it's funny to see where these prices go just based off of these wicks, like these wicks right here. It's funny to see the price literally on the other side, or usually on the other side, close right at those wicks. And this was basically it was telling us it's going to come and grab that liquidity. But what this was looking like was a small fake out for a support level somewhere around here in this zone, right up in here. So let me keep adding my support and resistance lines. And sometimes you won't get like the most perfect lines, but just try to do what you see that's best for you. And I will break this down to a weekly chart to draw a different set of support and resistance lines just to have more accurate price action. And when I do this, I change the color on them so I can identify which ones are my monthly, which ones are my weekly, and which ones are my daily or just horizontal rays for hourly time frames. So as a trader or someone who is looking in the markets, it's good to have a set of systems that you are accustomed to when you are trading or just looking at these charts. So I'm on my weekly chart now, and I am going to draw me a new resistance support line with a different color, because this is for my weekly. Left click about it here. Put this right here. And I'm going to right on top of this. I put it right on top of this wick right here because as you see, we have the wick touches right here. all of this is touching throughout this whole line. And if I wanted to be very technical, I should put one right here. So we are going to be very technical today, and we're going to just put all of our support and resistance lines that we see. So as we all know, this was the all-time high where we have tapped out and started to reverse. Right now with Bitcoin, I do see healthy price action, but with the recent dip right here, we have gotten back into a confirmed bear market. I don't want to scare anybody, but just doing the technical analysis over these charts, this is what the chart is telling me. So, what's up, man? Go sit down. Go sit down, baby. My dog just busted in my room. I'm making a video. Sorry about that, you all. So, let's get back to this chart. My dog likes to bust in my room, so yeah, sorry about that. So as you can see, we had this chart, price come all the way up to 68,000, about 69,000 and tap out. What we have done was fallen below this little level right here where price was trying so hard to hold, but it didn't. And as you see over here, even over here, price was trying so hard to hold above this line. It really couldn't. It only closed above this line one time, twice. So you can tell this number, 57,000, is a resistance level and a critical support level for Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we are falling below that. We can still be in trend for bullish price action if we just simply zoom out and see where this thing could take us. So me personally, let me fix my trend line. I'm going to kind of go right with this one because it touches right here. It's touching right here, comes back, touches right there, gives us enough room to see how much of a drop we could see. So to our next monthly resistance level, which is more critical than our weekly, which is my blue line. Weekly is my blue line and red is my monthly. We can see I can see a 14% dip on the bad side of this to a monthly support level that we were trading monthly. This was back in September around this price. So we can still be in a bull run if we come back to this price right here. The low, the higher low was right here at 41,000. This price right here is 46,000. Still a higher price than our last higher low. So we are still in good shape. And what I think Bitcoin is going to do is actually, and I'm on a weekly, this is a weekly, I didn't even break it down to the daily for more accurate information. What I think Bitcoin is going to do is going to gain support around this $52,000 price point. I think it's going to gain support right around here. And we'll turn this pink. Oh, can't really see that. I do green. I don't like that green. And we'll make this line a little thick. So this is where I really think we're gonna gain support for on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's chart still looking pretty healthy. I think they give us a $51,000 Bitcoin, $50,000 Bitcoin to really scare people. But I think that is where we'll have our next accumulation spot. So let's go over XRP chart, and I have to go over Bitcoin's chart because it controls most of the market. And I know you see my chart here is a little confusing. So what we're going to do is start on a brand new chart. This is a chart that I already had marked up from a couple of minutes ago. So as you can see, I do have my monthly resistance lines already drawn up, and I will publish this. And I have two trend lines going up. I know I'm probably the first person. Well, I'm not. I know I'm not the first person you've seen with two trend lines. But what that does is just help me with trend channels. And for price action, you see where my trend line, where it fell. It just fell through. So with XRP, I'm not going to take too long with this one because I kind of did a longer breakdown with Bitcoin. XRP, I do see I easily see a 85-cent XRP price. That is our next monthly resistance. I heard talks of 76 cents. I don't personally see XRP there, but also I can see that price. I can see it. Just because you know how XRP moves, you got to expect certain things. And then if we were to, because this was a lower low. This is a lower low right here. See, what's getting me about XRP now, if this was a higher high, I would be ready for sell off, but it's a lower low it's a lower high. So what I'm thinking is XRP is just taking a breather. You know how XRP moves. I think we definitely can see some closing down here of an 85-cent price. Even if we came down to 85 cents, we would still be in price range for bullish activity with a $5 XRP, $5.40 XRP in the making. That is where I think we're going to go once we surpass an all-time high. It's Fiction Crypto. I'm sorry about that loud banging. That was my dog. She likes to run through my door like a football player. But you all have a nice day. This is just a small video of chart analysis. I hope this helps somebody out with their view and look on the market. You guys have a great day. It's Fiction Crypto. Peace.